Welcome back to Healthier Munch. Today, we're diving into the topic of migraines and sharing 5 powerful foods that can help provide relief. Join us as we count down from the foods with the least benefits to those with the greatest. Let's get started. At number 5, we have blueberries. These delicious berries are packed with antioxidants that can help reduce inflammation, a common trigger for migraines. Including blueberries in your diet can be as simple as adding them to smoothies, yogurt, or enjoying them as a snack. Moving on to number 4, we have leafy greens like kale and spinach. These greens are packed with essential vitamins and minerals, including magnesium, which has been shown to help alleviate migraines. Whether in salads, smoothies, or sauteed dishes, adding leafy greens to your meals can support your migraine management. Coming in at number 3, we have pumpkin seeds. These tiny seeds are a powerhouse of magnesium, which is a beneficial nutrient for migraines. Snacking on pumpkin seeds or adding them to your granola, salads, or trail mix can contribute to your overall migraine relief strategy. Our runner-up at number 2 is salmon. This fatty fish not only provides omega-3 fatty acids, but also contains vitamin D, which has been associated with a reduced risk of migraines. Grilling, baking, or pan-searing salmon can add a delicious and nutritious component to your meals. Finally, at number 1, we have ginger. This potent root has long been used as a natural remedy for various ailments, including migraines. Ginger possesses anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving properties that can help alleviate migraine symptoms. You can incorporate ginger into your diet by making ginger tea, adding it to stir fries or soups, or even enjoying it in its raw form. And there you have it, our countdown of the top 5 powerful foods that can help relieve migraines. Remember, incorporating these foods into your diet is just one piece of the puzzle in managing migraines. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with others who may benefit. Subscribe to the Healthier Munch for more informative content on living a healthier life. Thanks for watching, and be sure to take care of your health.